left-hand end, across the motorway and across Duxford Village. You can see the film on the right. For a while, as I say, we can't regrettably see any parachuting from them. Today we can go back to 1944 and BBC correspondent Guy Byer, who parachuted into Normandy on D-Day with the British 6th Airborne Division as part of Operation Tonga, which included paratroops dropped by Armstrong, Whitworth, Albemarles and Dakotas and glider-borne assault elements in airspeed horses and general aircraft Hammer cars towed by Handley Page Halifaxes and Short Stirlings. His report passed into legend. This aircraft was actually here at Duxford when the museum first opened to visitors for an air day in October 1973 because it had been retired and was being restored for preservation here by the East Anglian Aviation Society. But a few years later it was revived, it went to Air Atlantique for many years, that great DC3 operator. More recently it's been returned to flying sold to Aero Legends. It's going to be a key part in the commemorations this year. Followed by the aircraft I was talking about earlier, the Tunisian Foundation's Placid Lassie, involved on D-Day with the 434 Troop Carrier Group. Regrettably, that saw his brother, the C-47 of the commemorative Air Force Central Texas wing, which was the lead ship in Serial 7, the first element of the main US paratroop force to go to Battle of Normandy, isn't with us today in this parade. So next up is the Western Airlines DC3's from Leeward Air Ranch in Florida. An aircraft which was first delivered to United Airlines in April 1941 and saw a great deal of civilian service during World War II, as well as being briefly impressed into the military. C-47s and